it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge. Before we get to the real video, just remember to smash that bell. Alright. It's Angelo here with Angelo's Edge again. Made a trip to the Tractor Supply. Got me a knife to do an unboxing. So this M&P looks like a dagger style. It has a false blade on that side. Stainless steel, stone wash blade finish, aluminum handle, liner lock, pocket clip. The reason I got it, it just says stainless steel, but it's supposed to. I looked it up and a little more research in it. I figured since they didn't tell you, it's because it's kind of lower quality. It's a 3CR13. So, but I got it because the bearings and it looked kind of cool. So I picked it up. I think it was $14.99. So I probably cut in some video of me shopping today when I picked it up. So let's open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, man, this is the other Tractor Supply knife I got, the Kimless Chunk. Got that. The Tractor Supply has their holiday. Oh, it's kind of cool. Let's see. It's definitely a dagger. So, oh, it's a liner lock. Yeah, I knew that. Let's see. It's supposed to have bearings. Oh, damn. That's kind of cool. I didn't expect it to be it's assisted open too. It's really, damn. I don't know. I probably won't carry this out and about. It looks kind of like a weapon, and it's fast. Holy crap! It's got it has bearings and it's assisted. Oh man! Wow! I did not expect that. It just feels. Wow! I don't know. You see how fast that's coming out? Wow! The lockup is good. It has like this little ring. I get. Well, I think it. I don't know. You could use it. Like you could use it like that, I guess. But it's. Oh my! I kind of like it. But it's what's on the box. It's a T. Oh, not T. It's a 100. Well, I couldn't find it on Amazon, but it's a 100 or 110561. I like this more than I thought it would. Oh man, that's kind of don't drop shut, but man, it has those bearings on it. Man, it really shoots out. It's like a switchblade. Oh crap! Yeah, I don't think I'll carry this around much because I think this might be considered somewhat of a weapon. Wow. All right. So let's see what I got. Some notes. So it's a stainless steel blade. It's a 3.5-inch dagger with a false edge. Like this side is not sharp, which is kind of good because it's that way you can bring it down. If you had both sides sharp, you would cut yourself right there to be exposed. So it wouldn't be really good to have it sharp on both sides. It's got like it's a dagger, but it almost looks like a tanto. There's no blade play. The liner lock looks like right on, like not over travel. It's pretty good. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Here we go. I mean, it's not the most high quality knife, but I think it's a conversation piece, though. You like, here, check this out. Oh, damn, I came real close to cutting my hand right there. I don't know if you see that. I had my hand too close here, and it would have sliced me pretty good. Well, I mean, I don't know. It's very thin. I mean, This is knife. It's not your utilitarian. You ain't gonna be cutting carpet and stuff with this. Well, it's something. It's cool. It's just cool factor on this one. Oh, I wonder if I can cut some paper out. See how sharp it is. Let's see. You got some regular notebook paper. There you go. Well, it's not that sharp. Oh, am I cutting? Yeah, I'm cutting the right. I'm using the right side. It's just, let's see the camera. This is kind of crappy paper. But even that one. Oh, I sharpened this one right here. Let's see what this. See how? Yeah, I should. Even this is catching. This is thicker cardboard, almost like cardboard. But yes, I don't think it's not very sharp. It's almost like a novelty purchase. It's like, yeah. So it has the tip up, carry, liner lock, and there's this ring of some sort. Maybe you could clip it on something like a I don't know. You could hook it on a backpack, but I just don't think it would be very smart to carry around. It comes out fast, and it's stonewashed black. So, wow. Not much else to say. It's tight, so can't even. And it would not be deep carry, obviously. Let's see if I use the. See, we'll try using this. That's not going to show me. Let's see what I got here that could be utilized. Crap! Don't have anything. Well, have to get this piece of paper. So, if you were going to carry it in your pocket, which this clip is very tight. So that much would be sticking outside. Yeah, so it's not really. I don't think it's carry friendly, but to each their own. Do what you want, but it's pretty badass though. Even has got a spot there. Yeah, so here's a kind of a close up of it. Not the greatest, not very sharp. I'll probably put an edge on it. I don't know if yeah, the tip is a little bit kind of weird, a little weird right there, but it's like I said, it has almost like a tanto shape to it, even though it's like almost like you can see the defined angle right there. It's not curved, it's almost got a sharp edge, like a 45 maybe, 30-degree angle. Yeah, I don't think the tip would be that great, but I think it's worth $15 though. I'd buy it again. I don't think I need another one, but if it's just, this is cool. All right. Well, I'll try to mix some. I'll try and mix some of the shopping experience in with this video, so you can see me out and about at the Tractor Supply. Oh, see, I'll look real quick. Let's look real quick to see if we can find. Let's see. We'll see if we can find it on See if we can find it here on. Oh, I gotta go back out here. Back this up here. I gotta switch my screens. Let's see if we can't find it on Amazon real quick. I don't think I tried finding it. Let's just try the part number. See if that comes up. Nope. So you're looking for, that came up for not exactly what I'm looking for. Let's try the M&P Dagger, Dagger, folding knife. One more, we'll do it real quick to see. Oh, it's close. That's attack force assisted. But yeah, it's popping up all kinds of stuff. I just can't find it. Let's see. I doubt. I did find it. It was out of stock at a place near my house called Fin Feather Fur. We're gonna go back to the. Like I said, I got it at Tractor Supply for $15. It was in their holiday section, so might have to just look there. I just can't find it on Amazon. Maybe if you went and looked a little closer yourself, you might find it. But here's my impression. This is all I need to say. Yeah, I mean, it's cool, cheap, and I don't know. I'd buy it again. All right, well, this is Angelo with Angelo's Edge. Catch you the next time we'll make a video. See ya. Oh, like, share, and subscribe if you can. All right, bye.